Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make subscribe intro video for YouTube. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. So first you need to go this website Pixabay. I hope you know this website. If you don't know, I will tell you in this short. This website is for free images. Okay, you will get tons of free images for free, where you can use these images anywhere you like. You can use these images in your website. No copyright issue will be generated. It is free images. So after going this website, you need to type subscribe, and after going subscribe, you will come this page where you will see lots of images. So just change these images to videos, and you will get some fantastic videos for starting. So I like this one, so I will just click on that and I will download for free, and I will just download the good one, and it's downloaded. After downloading, you need to go your video editing software, whichever you like. I'm using Movavi, so which is one of the best video editing software. So I will go to this website, and I have imported the video which we have downloaded. So let's see what video is this. Okay, so this is the video, simple one with a green screen, fantastic video. So just we need to remove this green screen. Okay, so just drag it down and right click on it and go to tools and go to chroma key, and just you need to adjust this one little bit, and you will see that it is turned black. Just apply it and it's done. So let's see what we have generated. So there it is, fantastic one, easiest way for the beginners of the YouTube ones. Okay, so you can do this very quick, very simple way for starting. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and click on the subscribe button without wasting your time, because I am going to bring out many videos like this which will help you in the future. So thank you for watching my video.